Now onto our final trade of the day.
Hi, Angie. I know you've been talking about a lot of these stocks, wrapping up the year and going into next year. But let me tell you what I did. My two trades of the year I want to talk about. Best trade of the year and quite frankly, my worst trade of the year. Best trade of the year, Devon Energy. I have been buying dips pretty much all year in a lot of the energy stocks. Devon, though, I think it was early to mid-July, really got hit down into the low 50s. And I did a type of trade, what's called a Texas hedge. Now, you're not going to see that on YouTube or, anywhere on the internet. But basically what I did was I was buying some pretty aggressive upside call spreads going out to September, October, but financing them with the sale of some put spreads to the downside. So I was, totally risk defined because I was doing spreads on each end. But I basically did a very, very bullish, synthetic bullish position to the upside for little or no cost because I was subsidizing my long, deep call spreads by selling put spreads. That one, I held on. That one worked out great. Worst trade of the year, and it's not because I lost the most amount of money. And I've been doing this for almost 35 years, and I know better. And you know what? This was just a mistake I made that I preach to my clientele never to do. And I'm not afraid to admit that I made this mistake. I got caught up earlier in the year in the meme stock craze, and it was with GameStop. And I bought some upside call spreads when, things were kind of flying around, and it was totally against everything that I do and totally against my methodology. Now, the good thing is, because I traded spreads, my loss was minimal. Yet, to me, that is still the worst trade I made this year because I didn't follow my strategy and I got caught up with that FOMO. And again, after doing this for 35 years, that should not happen, but it did. So to me, that still bothers me to this day, and it won't happen again. But thank you. I mean, that's my top and bottom trades for the year. And I look forward to seeing you again and working with you again next year. This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.